Ever wondered about the different ways to make carrots? Welcome to the intriguing world of this vibrant and versatile vegetable. Carrots, with their bright orange hue and distinct taste, have been a staple in our diets for centuries. But do we truly appreciate the diverse culinary experiences they can offer? Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating realm of carrot preparation. We'll explore 3 unique methods to transform these humble roots into delectable dishes that can tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, there's something to learn and savor in this journey. We'll uncover the magic of roasting, grilling, and steaming. Each technique imbues the carrots with a unique flavor profile and texture, bringing out their natural sweetness while adding a delightful twist. So prepare your aprons and sharpen your knives. Stay tuned as we plunge into the first method, roasting, to unleash the full flavor of carrots. Roasting carrots brings out their natural sweetness and gives them a satisfying texture. It's a culinary transformation that takes these humble root vegetables and turns them into something truly spectacular. But how does this magic happen? It's all about the heat, the preparation, and a watchful eye. Let's start at the beginning, with the oven. Preheating is a crucial step that sometimes gets overlooked. For roasting carrots, we're going to crank it up to a solid 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That high heat is what's going to give our carrots that beautiful caramelization and depth of flavor. While our oven is getting up to temperature, we turn our attention to the carrots. Preparation is key here. We want to peel them, of course, but also consider the size. If you've got smaller carrots, you can roast them whole. Larger ones, however, you'll want to cut into more manageable pieces, about ½ inch thick. Consistency and size ensures even cooking, so every bite is just as delicious as the last. Now it's time to season. A good quality olive oil is your friend here, giving the carrots a nice sheen and helping the seasoning to stick. A sprinkle of salt and pepper is a must, but feel free to get creative. A bit of garlic, a dash of thyme, maybe a hint of honey if you're feeling adventurous. The world is your oyster, or, well, your carrot. Once that's all done, it's time for the main event, the roasting. Spread your prepared carrots out on a baking sheet, making sure they're not overcrowded. Slide that sheet into your preheated oven and let it work its magic. But here's the thing about roasting carrots. It's not a set it and forget it kind of deal. You'll want to check on them every 10 minutes or so, giving them a good stir to ensure they're cooking evenly. After about 25 to 35 minutes, those carrots should be tender and golden brown with crispy, caramelized edges. And there you have it, perfectly roasted carrots with a delightful sweet taste and a crispy exterior. It's a simple process, but one that yields incredible results. So next time you've got a bunch of carrots on hand, why not give roasting a try? You just might find it's your new favorite way to enjoy this versatile veggie. Grilling carrots adds a smoky flavor that complements their natural sweetness. Our third method of preparing carrots is a delightful twist on the traditional ways of cooking this vitamin-rich vegetable. In this scene, we're going to dive into the world of grilling carrots. Let's start with preheating the grill. It's crucial to have your grill preheated to medium-high heat, which is typically around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your carrots will cook evenly and acquire that beautiful char we all love. Now, let's talk about preparing the carrots. You'll want to peel your carrots first, then slice them lengthwise. This creates a larger surface area for the heat to work its magic. The thinner the slices, the quicker the cooking time, but be careful not to slice them too thin or they might burn. Next up is seasoning. Carrots have a natural sweetness that pairs wonderfully with a variety of flavors. A simple sprinkle of salt and pepper works wonders, but feel free to experiment. A dash of cumin or smoked paprika can add an extra layer of flavor. And don't forget a light brush of oil to help the seasoning stick and prevent the carrots from sticking to the grill. Now, the grilling begins. Place your seasoned carrots on the preheated grill and close the lid. The cooking process should take about 10 to 15 minutes, but this can vary based on the thickness of your slices and the heat of your grill. The key here is to turn your carrots regularly, about every 3 to 4 minutes, to ensure they cook evenly and acquire a beautiful, even char. And there you have it. After a bit of patience and a lot of love, you'll have grilled carrots with a smoky flavor that's ready to be devoured. They make an excellent side dish for a summer barbecue or a healthy snack on their own. Voila! Your grilled carrots with a smoky flavor are ready to be devoured. Remember, cooking is an art, and you are the artist. So don't be afraid to experiment and make this recipe your own. Happy grilling! Steaming carrots preserves their nutrients and gives them a tender texture. Now, let's dive into the process of creating these deliciously healthy bites. First things first, we'll need to prepare our steamer. A pot with a tight-fitting lid and a steamer basket will do the trick. Fill the pot with about an inch of water, but be sure that the water level doesn't touch the bottom of the basket when it's placed inside. Then, bring the water to a boil over high heat. While our water is heating up, let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the carrots. You'll want to peel them to remove any dirt or imperfections. Once they're peeled, cut them into even pieces. This could be coins, batons, or even a julienne if you're feeling fancy. The goal here is to ensure they all cook evenly. Now, with our water boiling and our carrots prepped, it's time to introduce them to each other. Carefully place the carrots into the steamer basket. Once they're in, cover the pot. The steam trapped inside will cook the carrots, making them wonderfully tender while preserving their vibrant orange color and all those fantastic nutrients. Steaming duration is key in this process. Typically, this takes about 5 to 7 minutes for thinner pieces and up to 10 minutes for thicker ones. But remember, the goal is tender crisp, not mushy, so keep a close eye on them. Why is it important not to oversteam? Well, in addition to risking a mushy texture, oversteaming can cause our vibrant orange carrots to lose their color. Plus, it can lead to a loss of nutrients, and we certainly don't want that. So there you have it, steaming carrots, a simple yet effective way to prepare this versatile vegetable. Whether you're serving them as a side dish, adding them to a salad, or enjoying them straight from the pot, they're sure to be a hit. And that's how you get deliciously tender and nutrient-rich steamed carrots. So, there you have it, 3 simple yet distinct ways to prepare carrots. Let's take a moment to revisit each method to ensure you've got the key points down pat. First off, we dived into the art of roasting carrots. Roasting is a fantastic method to bring out the natural sweetness of the carrot while also giving it a delightful, slightly crispy texture. Remember, a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of your favorite spices, and a hot oven are all it takes to transform this humble vegetable into a delectable side dish. Next, we ventured into the smoky world of grilled carrots. Grilling imparts a unique, smoky flavor to the carrots, making them a perfect addition to your barbecue spread. The trick here is to keep an eye on the grill, turning the carrots frequently to ensure they cook evenly without burning. A brush of marinade can add an extra layer of flavor, making your grilled carrots truly irresistible. Finally, we explored the healthful method of steaming carrots. Steaming is a gentle cooking process that preserves the maximum amount of nutrients, while also rendering the carrots tender and easy to digest. The key to successfully steaming carrots lies in the timing. Too little and they're too crunchy, too much and they become mushy. Aim for a tender yet firm bite for the best balance. Each method has its own charm and delivers a different flavor profile and texture to the carrot, making it a versatile ingredient that can easily adapt to various culinary themes. Remember, the beauty of cooking lies in experimenting. So don't limit yourself to these methods. Explore and discover new ways to enjoy carrots.